Welcome, welcome, and I'm glad you stopped by. Today, I'm going to make a hamburger, but I'm going to use my waffle maker to make the hamburger. And I'll be using 80/20 ground beef, some onions. I'm going to season with garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. I have a tomato here. Can you see it? And some lettuce. And I have some, it's a brochure loaf. I'm sorry, brioche loaf. Let's get started. Open the burger. Open the burger. Let's get it on out of here. Woo, there we go. We're just going to season it up. I have my waffle maker going already. Gonna add some garlic powder, onion powder. Oh, not that side. Hold on, guys. I think that one may have had some moisture in it. Just onion powder, a little salt, some pepper, and my onions. That was about a little less than a half of a medium-sized onion. But you know how much onions if you like onions at all. But I love them. You've probably seen that I put them in mostly everything. So we're just mixing this well. And then we're going to get it together. Probably going to take about this is probably going to make maybe 2. That's 1. And this is 2. Get my spatula. You have to be careful because you may, more than likely, you will have some spillage from the oil. And just form that so it'll fit in a square. The best that you can, I'll say that. That's this waffle maker. Well, you're a hamburger maker right now, sweetie. Okay. About the best I can do for that one. You want it to kind of fit up in there. Yes, you do. And let me do my second one. And I kind of broke off some, I ended up not using, be careful, don't burn yourself when you do this. I ended up not using half and half. I might have 3 that I've gotten out of that little 1-pound package. This one is perfect for me, the size. And this is be quick and easy too. Once you prep everything, you just throw it together. And I'm going to let that go. And like I said, you have to be careful because it may have some spillage. Just kind of look out because of the oils, the fat that's in the hamburger. You can also get just lean hamburger with hardly any fat at all, and that probably won't happen. But I need a little fat in my life, just a little. While our hamburger is finishing up, I'm going to add a little butter to this brioche loaf, and we're going to toast it up. I'll let you see in a minute. And we're going to toast both sides. I'm going to add a little butter on this side as well. Hamburger smells so good. So delicious. Right. Gonna let that do its thing. You have to keep a close eye on your bread because it's rich already. Then you have the butter on it and you don't want it to burn, and it will. And I'm adding some cheese to the hamburger. Well, this one here. This one's fine. Just some American cheese off. I cut it off the block because I don't really use the Kraft slices too much. The carrot bread is done. It smells so good too. It smells delicious. That's good enough. Okay, my hamburgers are ready. Yeah, kind of hot. Let me show them to you. Like a waffle burger. Now we have to get our bread ready. And I'm using Miracle Whip. You can use mayo if you like. Oops. One side or both is up to you. I only like a little. Most of the time I like a dry sandwich though. And some lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. Not too much. I don't like it sloppy either. Some onions. Come on, get up here. I like red onions on my burger too. I'm only going to put mustard and ketchup on one. Just a little bit. I'm going to put that burger up there. Add that tomato. I like to put a little salt and a little pepper on my tomatoes. Just give them a little flavor. do that backwards. I probably did, but it's cool. Doesn't really matter a whole lot. And I'm going to slice this one. It's good already, and I barely tasted it. I just want you to see it. And set it up like that. And we got a couple pickles here. And there you have it. That's a burger and a cheeseburger made on a waffle grill. Like I said, I love my waffle. You know, I make quite a few things on it. There's another couple things I'll make a video of here and there so that you can see. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Could you give me a thumbs up if you like this video? Subscribe if you haven't. Tap that bell and comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it and that's all. And until next time, eat well and be well. Can't wait to eat this. Later.